Environment construction explanation. Both the Robotic Arm SDK and the Robotic Arm Controller are built on Ubuntu 18.04. In order to be able to use better, please try to keep the hardware part consistent with this. The next step is Build Essential Install. The password is 123, and the subsequent required passwords are also the same. Then install Boost. Its version is 1.5.4 or higher. First query the Boost version. Boost can be installed if the version is appropriate. The CMake part is also queried first and installed later. Its version is 2.8.3 or higher. CMake installation. Next is the Eigen installation. Eigen's installation package is provided in Z1_SDK. First open the Z1_SDK/third-party folder. Unzip the file and open the terminal under the Eigen package. Compile and install Eigen by following the source code as shown in the video. The installation is complete and the Z1 robot arm can be used alone.